Hello everyone, my name is Maria Zia and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. So since this is my first ever video, I will be showcasing to you guys my first ever mini Ukay haul here in Manila. So as far as you know guys, I am originally from Cagayan de Oro and I recently transferred here in Manila. So I've heard lots of stories. Also, I saw lots of videos in YouTube na madaming magagandang ukay-ukay places here in Manila. So, from my place, I went to Anonas station and to Kalentong since yan yung pinakamalapit dito na ukay-ukay place. So, let's watch on what I bought. So, let's start on what I bought in Anonas station. So, first, binili ko yung dress. This dress. So, as you can see, the details, yung details niya is so nice. Like, chatagid kayo siya. Like, there. Then, all around the neck. It's like a whole dress. And it is good for like, occasions na special like a date or mo-attend og bunyag or binyag, mag-a-attend ng binyag. So, this color blue, navy blue dotted dress is, I bought this for only 180 pesos. So, the second one, the binili natin is this beautiful top. Dress pala, not a top. So, as you can see, it's very nice. Kakatap. You can see it's very nice. The parang yung shiny shimmering. Its color is silver, as makikita niyo. And when I fit this one, hindi siya parang makate sa skin, which is very nice. And then yeah, there is a peephole thing, and you can show your sexiness but at the same time elegant lang at discreet because although hindi siya yung parang sagwa tingnan. So yeah, it's an elegant but sexy. So this is a very long dress kasi I really like this one because I am tall, matangkad ako. I am actually 5'7", and it's a rare find na makakakuha ka ng long dress sa isang ukay-ukay. So the brand for this one is actually yes, you can see this one, Sexy Queen. Yan, Sexy Queen. I really don't know where this came from, pero yeah, it's from Sexy Queen, and yeah, it's very long and it has a slit. So mamaya ipapakita ko on how beautiful is this when worn. And yeah, so for the second one, I bought this beautiful dress for 600 pesos. So if you guys nagtatanong, hala, 600 ukay-ukay. So actually, I bought this kahit medyo kamahalan siya is because the original price for this one is 980 pesos. So si Ateng tumawad from 980 naging 800, naging 700, 650, and down to 600. So it's good kasi I've saved around 380 pesos. But still, hindi ako makakakita ng ganito na dress in a mall na worth 600 pesos. So yeah, it's still a good find for me. So now, let's move on to what I bought and what I found sa Kalentong. So if you are thinking malayo ba yung Kalentong to Anonas. So from my place, Kalentong is just 1 jeep away. So yeah, why not, diba? Bumili ka naman, sagarin mo na. Charot. Parang maraming pera. So, the first one that I bought is also a dress. Ta-dang! So, this is like a crochet top kind of dress because, as you can see, the details, each details of it, and it's actually also a cute dress for formal events, and it is from Korea. So hindi ko alam paano siya basahin. So still, it's very long, but it's very nice. And if you guys are wondering paano ko to susuotin, kasi madami siyang butas. So I think na susuotin ko to with the use of a tube or tube, and yeah, I will look decent naman and hindi sagwa. So for this find, this is actually very cheap, and I bought this one. Nabili ko siya for only 85 pesos. Next one is this skirt. So this skirt's brand is Zalora. So it's very nice, and as you can see, pwede siya i-tie here to your here. Pwede siya i-tie dito. So there will be like, if you want it masikip, and then you can tie it with a beautiful bow. So yeah, this is nice. Fourth find, and I bought this Zalora skirt, black skirt, for only 40 pesos. 40. So last but not the least is this. Actually, isa to sa pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat. This dress na I bought is, well, let's just say na hindi siya masusuot here in the Philippines because mainit. And as you know, our weather here sa Philippines is only rainy and sunny. So walang winter or walang autumn. So this can be worn on my future trips, charot trips, on my future trips. And actually, this is a very good find kasi I bought this one in Kalentong also for only, mamaya ko na sasabihin how much. But I bought this beautiful black and white dress. And medyo parang siyang may petticoat. Parang it's nice, and the meron siyang inner lining, which is that's why hindi siya pwede here for the Philippines, kasi susuotin mo to dito, magmumukha kang basang sisiw ng pawis. Magmumukha kang pawis na pawis, or you will be very sweaty. So I bought this black and white. The tela for this one is, I don't know, basta para siyang not wool, not cotton, but polyester siguro. I'm not sure. If you guys know, just comment it down. So parang ganito siya for the sweaters. So yeah, parang ganito. And yeah, it's like this. It also have a zipper sa up there, here. So pwede siya dito. You can put pocket, or like if you have important stuff, phones or something, you can put it inside. So, may zipper siya. So, for this beautiful dress na Manosk yung brand is, I bought this one for only 130 pesos. So yeah. So that's a wrap for today, and if you are new in my YouTube channel, please click the button, the subscribe button here, and see you in my next adventure. Maria Zia here. Goodbye.